Today we talk about how can you find shared device on your Mi Home app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse. So you just click here on profile down here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on additional settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on shared device, you just click on it. So then here you will find all shared device you have in this list. Like you see here, I have not shared devices yet, but if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list on your Mi Home app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.